The Infinix Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G stands out as a true powerhouse in its segment, combining cutting-edge performance with premium features. It boasts a stunning 144Hz FHD plus Super AMOLED display, delivering ultra-smooth visuals and vibrant colors for gaming, streaming, and daily use. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with a massive 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, ensuring lightning-fast multitasking and seamless performance even under heavy workloads. Photography is taken to the next level with an impressive 300MP main camera, designed to capture exceptional detail and clarity in all lighting conditions. Fueling all this hardware is a huge 8,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts all day and more, while 120W fast charging ensures you're back to full power in no time, making the Hot 70 Pro Plus 5G a bold and ambitious smartphone built for users who want flagship-level specs without compromise.